Okay, a few days ago, I got a notice, a little update pop-up thing telling me that I'm eligible for free upgrade to Windows 10. And at the time, I had Windows 7 Home Premium 64-bit. Now I have Windows 10 Home 64-bit. And it was a free upgrade from Microsoft. And I waited for them to tell me it's okay to download and all that shit. I didn't rush off and do all these little tricks to get to be able to download and install it sooner. I was patient and I waited, and I'm glad. By being patient, my downloading and installing experience of Windows 10 Home so far was a good one. Okay. For desktop screen recorder, I'm using BB Flashback Express 5 recorder, and any of the programs I installed myself on this computer is freeware. I try to use freeware programs at all times. Okay, let's begin. This is what my taskbar looks like. This is the search box. You can search for your apps or search the web or whatever, read the news. Believe it or not, it's like multi-purpose. Like, okay, if I type in, okay, I downloaded and installed Spotify, so I'm going to type in Spotify. Okay. As you can see, it shows a desktop app that I downloaded and installed. Plus, I can read up on more about it on the web. Okay, this is the start button. You click on it. Now, I don't know why they call this Life at a Glance. I really don't know. But it shows some stuff, like some news and some links and some apps that came with Windows 10 and shit like that. And the weather is kind of nice. 75? Cool. And then play and explore. Like all these little, they call them tiles. And I have OneNote installed, but I don't like it. You have to have a cloud account. I don't do cloud. Then there's Groove Music and movies and TV. They work so far. I haven't really used a lot of stuff on this computer extensively. Yeah. And this here is your start area. I guess you can call it the start menu or the start area. I don't know. I guess if you right click on something and you scroll down and select pin to start, this is where it shows up. It's like quick access, stuff you use the most, I guess, if you want to. And see here. Okay, you got File Explorer. If you can look for files. If you can't find a file, like an image file you downloaded, you forgot where you downloaded, you can use File Explorer. Settings, power, and all apps. If you click on settings, you got system, devices, network and internet, personalization accounts, update and security, which is your Windows updates, recovery and backup. Privacy, ease of access, time and language. I mean, I would click on each one of these and really look them over and try to learn about them. There's a lot of people complaining. A lot of people are really complaining about Windows Update and security. They're really complaining about that. Now, I can show you something, but then this video is going to be way too long. Maybe I'll save that for a separate video. And this privacy thing is one you should look at in the system, display notification, apps and power. If you click on that, it kind of gives you like notifications and actions. See, I played with all these settings already. That's why I'm not really going to show you what I've done, because it's not going to look like yours. I turned a lot of stuff off, and I turned a few things on. And if you use the back arrow, you can go back. And then if you go up to update security, and then you can manually check for Windows updates. And again, I'm playing with this Windows 10, so I really can't tell you about it, but this is how I have mine set for now. I'm probably going to change this. If you click on Advanced Options in Windows Updates, I have mine set to Notify to Schedule Restart. And right here it says choose how updates are installed. These are for updates that require a computer restart. And I didn't want any surprises, so I'll get a notice telling me to schedule a restart so it can finish installing these particular programs that require that. And then choose how updates are delivered. If you click on that, again, this is the peer-to-peer updating method. As you can see, this is what it looks like when it's turned off, and this is what it looks like when it's turned on. And when I first installed Windows 10, this is what it looked like at first. This is what it looked like before I made these changes. First, I chose to change this part. I changed it to PCs on my local net. I can't talk straight. God damn it. PCs on my local network. And this is like PCs on my local network and PCs on the internet. That's the strangest way to get your updates. But anyway, I turned it off so that it would update kind of like the old Windows update in Windows 7. Not really, but yeah. So if you want to slow down the surprise, please select Notify to Schedule Restart. And then you can get insider builds. I guess those are betas. I'm not sure. Privacy settings. Windows Update might Windows Update might update itself automatically first when checking for other updates. Privacy setting. Oh, yeah. Anyway, that's that. I'm not gonna get to that. How long was that? 7 minutes? Okay, I guess that's all I want to show you. I mean, it's not much of a show and tell, and it's not a how-to video, so yeah. That's what mine looks like. It's kind of boring, actually. You know? I expected more, I guess. But then again, I have Windows 10 Home, so I could have more to play with if I had Windows 10 Pro, but I wasn't eligible for the Windows 10 Pro because I had Windows 7 Home Premium to start with, so there you